Imagine being able to earn up to 20% APY with GMT tokens. Now, Binance gives users the opportunity to earn passive income on a regular basis. Now, as a new user, Binance is currently promoting or encouraging the savings culture. So, our new users get the opportunity to enjoy up to 20% APY, which is a return on investment with GMT on the flexible savings platform. Now, this promotion period was from March to May 10th. So it's currently over as of recording, but these and lots of other promotions are currently ongoing on the Binance platform. Now, looking at this promotion, you want to know that the standard annualized interest rate is currently at 1%, but because of the promotion, Binance now upped it to about 20%. So this is real cool because you get to earn passive income. You did not buy these tokens, you are earning free tokens in reward for just subscribing to this flexible savings feature. So for users who want to earn passive income, this is one way for you to go. Now, when you go over to Google, you can see there are lots of offers being done on Binance. You can see there are Binance Savings, there's Crypto Savings, then there's the Binance Savings for Pizza Day. There are lots of offers you want to check once you check up on it. Then you also see the 500 BUSD savings trial fund as a new user. So Binance will give you this trial fund to boost your savings returns that you'll be getting on your savings subscription. So this is a cool way, or this is one cool feature on the Binance platform. Now, looking at some other features or some other promotional activities, where we have here the Binance Savings offers Pizza Day welcome bonus, where users get to earn 2x APY with flexible saving. Now, the good thing about the promotion is that as of recording, this promotion is currently on. To celebrate Bitcoin Pizza Day, Binance is launching an exclusive promotion for new users to Binance Savings. Now, all you need to do is during this activity, users who subscribe to Savings for the first time can enjoy 2x APY with BUSD, BTC, ETH, or flexible savings. So as shown below, this is it. So you want to know that this promotion will be ending by June, the 3rd of June. So you want to take advantage of this as soon as possible. Now, looking at the exclusive APY during the promotion period, you want to know that for BUSD is currently at 20%, then for BTC is 10%, ETH is currently at 4.8%. So these are returns on investment you get if you own these assets and you now subscribe this asset to the flexible savings platform or flexible savings program. So initially the tier 1 is going for 10%, while the tier 2 is going for 2%. So these are the initial interest rates that are currently on board, but because of the Bitcoin Pizza, the users can now benefit from this. Now, for the terms and conditions, it's just basic. You need to be a Binance user, you need to complete your KYC, and you need to subscribe to these individual features. Now, subscription will close on a certain product once the maximum limit is reached. Now, you'll be notified if the maximum limit has been reached. So these are some of the benefits you get on the Binance platform. So you want to keep an eye on this. Now, looking at Binance in particular, you want to know that there are several benefits. I'm going to show you guys several benefits that you can make as a new user. When you go over to Google, you can see that the Binance Savings is under the Binance N platform. Now, on the Binance N platform, there are lots of ways for users to earn free crypto assets. You can see here stablecoins, stopped cryptocurrencies, DeFi tokens that you can get involved with, and their annual yields. So these are some benefits, or these are some key concepts about the Binance N platform. Now, the Binance N gives you the opportunity to get access to a wide variety of options, saving options. Unlike the traditional systems, you are limited to the savings opportunity that you can get access to, and most of these savings opportunities are usually limited. Now, for the crypto space does not sleep. So the traditional bank sleeps. So you might not be able to get access to your funds when you need them at a particular time, unlike the crypto space where you can easily go over to or log into your crypto account, your Binance account, and you can easily withdraw your funds. Now, for the Binance N, you can see we have BNB Vault, flexible savings, lock staking, liquid swap. Now, the risk involved for BNB Vault flexible savings, there are no risks involved, while for liquid savings, there's a low risk that you could get familiar with to understand how it works. Now, for liquidity preference, there's a short term and medium term. For rewards token preference, there's the BNB, ETC, ETH. So for the BNB Vault, you only get to subscribe to BNB. That's the only token that that is. That's why it's called the BNB vault. But for flexible savings and lock staking, you can get access to a wide variety as well as the liquid swap function. Now, these are some of the benefits you get on the Binance end platform as a Binance end user. Also, you want to know that there's fast redemption, which is available for the BNB vault feature, and also the fixed savings, which is and also the flexible savings feature. Now, users can decide to use the flexible fast redemption, where you can redeem your assets that you subscribe. If you have need for them, you can redeem them instantly whenever you want, and use them for the funds you want to use them for the needs, or whatever promotional activities you want to use them for. Now, there's the lock staking, which allows you to redeem these only after a certain period of time. So you want to be aware of the individual differences between these features. There's also DeFi staking, there's liquid swap instantly. Liquid swap does not take time, you just swap and you are good to go. So this is one major advantage you get on liquid swap, and you earn automatic rewards. Then also the dual investment, which cannot be redeemed in advance. So you want to know about these individual differences. Now, for users who want to get involved with this, all you need to do is to have an account on the Binance platform. Once you have an account on Binance Platform, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. It's going to take you directly to the Binance Savings platform, where you can start earning automatically. Now, this is a simple way to lend and earn. So you lend your tokens on the Binance Platform, and you get access to rewards or returns on the investment on a regular basis. Now, all you need to do once you've logged in, you can click on login, or you click on register for new users. New users get sign-up bonuses up to lots of dollars. You get up to $100 sign-up bonuses and more once you use our affiliate link. And also, you also get trading fee discount. Now, once you fund your account, once you've completed your KYC and registrations, you go over to the option and fund your account. Now, once you're done, from web users, all you need to do is to click on the N icon. Once you click on the N icon, you will be shown the Binance N feature, which is the one-stop investment solution. And here you can see there are varieties or a whole lot of features you can choose from savings, BNB vault, liquidity farming, Binance pool. There's also lots of them. So all you need to do is to click on the savings feature. There's even the launchpad, staking, dual investments, and auto invest feature. Now, since we're focusing on the savings feature, on the savings, you can get access to the flexible savings and the interest calculation, flexible savings timeline, APY rate. Now, one good thing we love about the Binance platform, or this whole setup, is the fact that it is very transparent. Very transparent, and is very user friendly. The interface is top notch, and you don't need to be a pro in order for you to understand this. Once you subscribe to any you do any subscription here on the platform, your estimated returns will be shown to you automatically, and it is automated, so you won't get a scenario where you are not credited your rewards. So your rewards will always be available for you. Now, you can see for BUSD, APY is about 10%, BTC 5%, ETH is about 2.4%. Now, you want to know that as a new user, you get up to 2x for the Bitcoin Pizza Day promotion, which is currently ongoing. Now, you can see the number of days is currently flexible. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe, and your funds in your fiat and spot wallet will be deducted and transferred directly into your Binance N platform, or your Binance N account, or your Binance flexible savings account. Here you can now start earning automatic rewards or passive income on a regular basis. There's zero risk involved by using this method, and there's immediate redemption when it comes to the flexible savings. There are lots of tokens available for you to choose from. So there are about 170 tokens available, and more being listed on Binance platform. Now, there's a major difference between the lock staking and the flexible savings. The flexible savings and the lock savings, the main difference is the fact that for the lock savings, you get to lock your assets for a long period of time, or for a certain period of time, and you cannot redeem that asset for that particular period of time. The good advantage here is that it offers even higher interest rates, or even higher returns for users, because they know you are investing your asset for a long period of time, and it's very secure. So we've been using this for about 2 years and more and counting. So you can see with the lock staking, we have Axie Infinity's annualized interest rate 25%, Cake annualized interest rates 25%, Drep annualized interest rates to 20%. So these are what you'll be getting by subscribing to this. Now for a 7 days duration period. Now if you are to choose for a 15 days duration period, you can see now that it has moved from about 20x, I think it was about, you moved for about 25%, and it's now at 70%, which is way high. So the more you put your funds for a long period of time, you can see the more you'll be getting benefits from these lock staking. So there are lots of these tokens that you can expand to see about 13 lock staking products and more. Now this is some of the benefits you get from being a flexible savings user. Now for users who want to understand what this is, it says here the flexible savings is your crypto savings account. You can subscribe to your crypto to earn interest with the flexibility to redeem your rewards at any time. Now looking at the lock staking, it is committed to holding your crypto. Now you can earn interest at the same time, subscribe your crypto to lock staking period for even higher interest. Now look at what happens when you talk about what happens to your funds on the day you subscribe. Your funds will be directly transferred to your wallet, and that is how it's worked. So I'll be leaving this link in the description box below for you to get access to this. Now for our users who want to, for a quick tip, you want to stay aware, you want to keep up to date with the Binance announcement and latest activities. There are lots of giveaways and lots of updates being shared here. Now we have the auto invest giveaway for 20 BUSD token available for both new users and old users. So there is also the Binance Savings, which we've talked about, and you can see lots of rewards that are currently, or promotional activities that are currently going on. There's even the dual investment giveaway for 100,000 BUSD. 100,000 BUSD. Now, as a new user, you want to register as soon as possible and start benefiting from this. Now, it is good you save your funds in the crypto space, or you start using the crypto currency. All you need to do is to buy a particular amount of cryptocurrency. It's a way to diversify your portfolio. So you don't want to keep all your funds in a dollar or euro, or you want to keep all your funds in fiat. So you want to separate and keep your funds in the form of cryptocurrency. You want to keep your funds in the form of assets. You want to keep your funds in the form of fiat for easier or for immediate use. You want to diversify your reach of funds or your reach of earnings. So just participate in dual investment or this, or lots of portfolio to get this bonus. So there are lots of bonuses you get. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below also. Now for users who want to access it through the mobile app, all you need to do once you're logged in, you downloaded the mobile app, you can click on the N, the Binance N that is currently on the home page. Here you get access to a wide variety of assets you can choose from. For BUSD, you can see the APY ranges from 1.71% to about 217%, guys. 217%. USDT 174 to 217%. So this is beneficial. Now auto invest, you can see lots of tokens available here. Now you can click here to see the different Binance N products: savings, staking, auto invest, liquidity farming, and more. You can also see informations about Binance N programs that are currently ongoing here. Now you can click on the savings to get started. Mind you, there are funds in our account already. Now we are for BUSD and BTC. You can see the individual APY that is currently being given out. So you can choose whichever APY you want to use, or whichever APY you are interested in. You can use special high yield offers that are available. Lots of special high yield offers. Now for AC Infinity, you can see we talked about up to 70% that is available, 25% for cake tokens and more. So you just want to click on a particular one. So let's say in scenario we want to subscribe to BUSD, because we currently have some amount of BUSD available in our spot account. So let's say we want to subscribe for just 5 BUSD. Now we want to take note that our subscription amount, this is it, this is the date, value date, this is the interest distribution date. So it is plain and simple. The current amount in our account and our Binance N initially is about 271. So we want to add additional 5 to it. So you can see we'll be earning estimated interest rate of about 0.07 BUSD per day. per day, guys. Now imagine you are putting in about 1000 BUSD, you are subscribing that 1000 BUSD. Imagine times that by the value that you're currently seeing here, that's what you'll be making. Imagine if you are even putting even higher value, about 1 million BUSD into your Binance account or your Binance savings feature, or you're subscribing to any of the program, you'll be earning as much as you could even be earning as much as $1,000 or more on a regular basis or on a daily basis from passive income. So this is how beneficial the Binance end product is. So all you need to do is to click on subscribe. So you see we've automatically subscribed now. Automatically subscribed. So you can go over to our wallet. We're going to go over to our wallet. So this is our wallet where you can see the BUSD that we're currently subscribed to. You can see we now have 276 BUSD subscribed in our account, in our wallet account. So these are the benefits you get from using the Binance platform. These are automated benefits you get. So I encourage you guys to subscribe. You can send your funds. Our funds will be automatically sent here whenever we have those funds in our account. So you can select the the auto subscribe feature, which allows Binance to automatically subscribe your assets to the platform. So you can see for BTC is turned on, auto subscribe feature is turned on. For Axie Infinity, we currently do not have some Axie Infinity, but you can take it turn on to also subscribe. So whenever you have some ASS in your wallet, instead of you might forget or you might not remember to subscribe them, Binance will automatically subscribe them for you, and you start earning passive income from these tokens. So you can click on OK, and this is it, and you're good to go. There are also FAQs here which you can get familiar with, and tutorial videos. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. The link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video. Any questions, let us know, and subscribe. And keep inviting your friends. Let them know that the cryptocurrency industry is one of the best industries to be now, as of recording. There are lots of people making waves in the crypto space, so you want to be aware of this. You can even see now our screen share up to $1 million BUSD from auto investing your asset into asset. So you want to auto invest in a particular asset, and even when these assets appreciate in value, you also get funds from it. You also get benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next upload.